Uses smart art graphics. Use of smart art graphics. As you know, the smart art graphics are a visual representation of information, which helps in creating presentations, charts, and diagrams. These graphics can be easily customized and they are perfect for making complex ideas more accessible. Don't worry, I can give with an example. Friends, let me open Word document. Let me open blank. Let me take the case study number 7, uses of smart art graphics, right? Let's go to the Thursday where 8th session case studies. Wonderful. Earlier days, I still remember when I was doing my articles before version of 2007, 2003 version, we used to take the shapes like this to prepare any of the flow chart like this. We used to take and we used to take the arrow, then immediately because the arrow will follow this. Then again, we used to take now at least it is giving these many options. Now earlier, not this much of clean, even the shapes. Now I want to take some box here for the process. It used to take a lot of time for us to adjust, but this looks very basic, right? Now you need not to do these type of things at all in the Word document. This functionality is available in the PowerPoint. This functionality is also there in Microsoft Excel. Go to the insert. There is a smart art. All the smart arts you can see. Otherwise, this got divided into different sections. If you want to present something, generally smart art is very helpful in the PowerPoint. However, when you want to explain in a report any particular process or a hierarchy or a relation, or you want to insert a picture type, or in those cases, you can use the smart art. These all are the listed type of smart art graphics. Process type of smart art graphics. This is a cycle, this is a hierarchy. Let's say I'm presenting something with respect to my office organization. Then I'll just simply take the hierarchy chart like this, right? And there is, once you select this, automatically, once you select this, automatically an extra contextual tabs appear on the top: smart art design, smart art format, right? There are n number of designs you have. Once you select this, sometimes this gets closed. We start typing here, for example, CEO. This is a very bad habit. What you can do, you can just click this. This is the place where you can start typing. Let me delete everything. Now I can just have CEO. CFO will get report to CEO. Then CIO will get report to the CEO. Then Chief Operating Officer will be there. Now, for CFO, there is a ZM, right? Then for ZM, there is a DZM, right? Then again, for let's see, I'm just using the tab so that it's go to the next level. When I'm using shift tab, it's going back. Then for the CIO, again, I can find a GM. Then I can have the next level DGM. Then when I come down, again here, I can have a GM, I can have a DGM. If you want, even you can have the names also. For every smart art graphics, the settings you can find here. Organization chart used to show hierarchical information or reporting relationships in an organization. This assistant shape and organization automatically, right? Once you select it, if you want, if you don't like this type of thing, then you can put it along with the photograph. Then it's going to, you can just take the photographs, some random photos. Probably I can just take it, though I'm not a CEO of any company, just as a example, right? So let me take my photo. I know it may not be great looking. Okay, let's say CIO. Let's take another partner of my organization. Let's take Shruti. I'll just take a pic of Shruti. Let's take another photo. This looks very nice, right? So I can just start taking another person photo if at all available. If not, we can ignore. Okay, it's not there. Fine. So you can start taking the photographs like that. If you don't even like this, then you can present in this way. Otherwise, you can go like this. Otherwise, you can even present in this way. Otherwise, even you can present like this. Otherwise, even you can present like this. There are different ways of showing this, right? And so on. If you want a process type, even the smart art with respect to the process you can do, I can just go to the uh, insert, go to smart art. I want to go into the process. I want to explain about a chartered accountant course in India. I just can put here the CPT course. Then now CPT is not there. This is the foundation course, then intermediate, then articleships, then you have a CA final, right? After CA final, then you have to do post qualification courses, right? Before joining into some other, now in the new credit, there are a lot of things are there. But anyway, this is about a process, step by step, how we want to explain, right? You can even go into the other smart arts where we have many. You can just start looking into this. One of the beautiful way of presenting your data, right? You can even change if you want the format. If you don't like maybe this type of format, then you can just go here. You can just change the colors, themes. Then you can put like this. Otherwise, you can put like this. If you want different colorful, then you can put like this. There are n number of options. Within this, you are having so many again. You can put like this. Yeah, I'm not great with respect to the designing and arts. Whoever having a great design and art skills, I'm sure they can do much better. Save.